And now it's time for another Wellness 101. How to manage your time. Presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. Let's face it, time is the most precious commodity in the world. It's perishable, irreplaceable, and cannot be saved. We all have the same 24 hours a day to make a difference in our lives. Some people take that 24 hours, focus up, and run with it, while others let it get the best of them. If you feel like your time management skills are a little lacking, have no fear, my friends, because we've got the steps to help keep you on task. Step 1. Prioritize. Prioritizing your workload will take a huge amount of stress off your plate. So be sure to focus your time and efforts on completing your most important and urgent tasks first before moving on to less time-sensitive items. Step 2. Don't wait, do it now. Procrastination is a bona fide time killer. If you have a task that you're dreading doing, don't wait, force yourself to do it right now. You'll thank yourself later. The habit of taking action now will allow you to get through a ton of work in a single day. But if you're a true procrastinator and are still looking for some much-needed help, be sure to check out our video, How to Stop Procrastinating, in the description below. Step 3. Avoid distractions. Scrolling through social media can get you off track in the blink of an eye. It starts by quickly checking something on the Book of Faces, and before you know it, you've wasted over an hour of your time when you should have been working. Consider keeping your phone away from you to avoid temptation until you've knocked out your most important tasks. Step 4. Learn to say no. Learning to say no may be one of the most important skills to learn. It's not that you don't want to help, it's simply that you only have 24 hours in a day. You must determine which requests are truly important to you, and decline those that will waste your time. Remember, there's only so much of you to go around. Step 5. Exercise in the morning. Working out has not only been proven to be a big-time stress reliever, but is also one of the best ways to feel more energized and prepare you for your day. Breaking a sweat early in the morning releases serotonin, dopamine, and a barrage of endorphins, which are the feel-good chemicals that put you in a good mood and get you ready to attack the day. If you're not a morning person, however, that's okay too. As long as you give yourself approximately 30 minutes a day to work out, regardless of the time of day, you'll still reap these benefits. Folks, we all wish there was more time in a day, but it's what you do with that time that makes all the difference. If you struggle with time management, don't beat yourself up about it. Just follow these steps to help right the ship. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share to all who are struggling to catch up. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness saying be well and follow the steps to a healthier you.